Hello and welcome to a Heroes of Irthos unboxing. I'm James and
Hey!
this is Kaci.
Nice to be back.
Yes, it's been a while.
It has. I made it through Christmas and I've been really busy at work. There are a lot of different things going on, but we're back, at least for the time being.
Don't chew on your dog meat costume. But yeah, we're going to do an unboxing of our... Hey, do you want to tell us about the whole ordeal about getting?
Okay,
That's
we
the story of
ordered
itself.
the Fallout series LootCrate 1-year subscription with all the cool stuff, and there's supposed to be a mini nuke USB hub special thing if you got the whole year subscription. So we ordered it last year and it was supposed to be here, the first one, before Christmas, and then everybody got an email saying sorry, due to production delays or some shit like that, it won't be before Christmas. And then it took several more months and now finally it's here. And then we were doing lots of shit and couldn't open them. We wanted to do this unboxing from the beginning, but we've been very busy.
Yeah. Now we have a second.
So it's going to be a double Fallout loot unboxing.
And I'm excited. And
yeah.
I'm curious.
And scissors.
I'm curious to if I have any of the loot that
you already own.
Yeah. So
I guess we'll find
that
out.
may be a thing. But
the dog's freaking out. We put on her
she
dog
does
meat
not
costume.
like
She
that.
doesn't like it.
And I promise it's not on her too tight. Just go ahead and take it off. See, her little dog. So I guess we'll start unboxing it.
Way to make it painful.
Yeah, that was awkward.
Okay.
But that's me. I'm an awkward person.
Got it. I got nails.
Yeah, I did. You got nails.
Whoa!
Ooh, is that a tunnel snake?
Look how the Brotherhood Steel is on the inside.
I forgot that the boxes and LootCrate does sorts of things. I'm kind of distracted by. Is that a hoodie? Of tunnel snakes? Because you can never have too many hoodies. It is.
Oh, cool.
That is awesome.
Oh shit! It is a Tunnel Snakes hoodie.
That is awesome.
What? In the Capital Wasteland.
Yes.
Oh shit! That's freaking cool.
That is cool.
Oh shit! That's cool.
That's cool. Okay, what else do we get?
Okay, we got.
Are you helping us?
That's a coffee mug. Dishwasher safe. Is it gonna be the same one? What do you think?
I doubt it.
I don't think it is.
It's gonna have that babe on it.
The hot babe.
The hot babe. Oh, it does have the hot babe.
Damn. It said, look, and if you can see that, welcome home.
That's awesome.
As you said.
And you can never have too many of coffee mugs either. You are rude.
Remove that. Oh. Nice hot vault babe. Okay, so in the description it said that if you order the entire, each box will come with a piece of a figure for you to build. And you have to get all the crates to be able to build the figure.
And we're going to be getting all.
So this says 1 of 6. I'm guessing.
6. So we should.
That's what screenshots, power armor, build a figure.
Oh, nice.
It's the stand in the head.
Yeah. I am looking forward to.
Ooh, wait, Vault 126. Who is that? And I'm assuming this is
It's going to be the base.
what we're going to build it up on. How?
Pretend like the rest of the body's here.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
What's going on in this box?
Sure, you're the lone wanderer, but that doesn't mean you have to wander the wasteland alone. Fox, the friendly, intelligent super mutant or meta-human from Fallout 3's Vault 87 is happy to join you, as long as you free him first. I'll free him. I remember him. Ah, so much tape. So much tape.
Could you rebox these for reuse the box for Celestial Caravan?
Probably some of them, yes. So, one of the toughest parts about running an Etsy shop is having to find the right size boxes for your stuff.
And sometimes,
I use a lot of recycled and repurposed boxes, and they're not always really cute.
And you've been struggling finding material too.
Yes, I have. wonder if you can even hear over this.
Yeah, I don't know.
I recently listed my Mimic chest. Go check it out. And we'll link in the description. They've been selling like crazy, and I've been having trouble finding boxes to ship them in. More money, more problems. You got it? Here you go. I'll let you set him up.
Yeah, I'm gonna play with him like the man-child I am.
I'm liking these bases that they're all gonna be on. Yeah. Ba 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 ba. So.
You want to be sturdy and strong.
Have a grab. See what's in there next. No,
that's not
dog
for
meat.
you.
What is that?
Well, let's open it and find out, because I was trying to...
Is it a mouse pad?
That's what I was thinking. Maybe it is.
Oh, I think it is.
Yeah, I think it is a mouse pad.
It would have helped if we got the list.
That would have helped, huh?
Oh well, we're going on our own. So we got a mouse pad. And then finally, crate number 1, Vault Tech pin. Yeah.
We got and opened the first crate.
Oh, cool. Okay, it's right before, it's the Vault Tech representative and part 4. Oh, how cool.
I kind of don't want to take it off this sleeve right now, so I'm gonna leave it there.
The Lone Wanderer perk pin. You've learned our very first perk pin. It won't increase your carrying capacity, but it certainly looks cool.
And that
Did you get the rare black and gold variant? Bummer.
Black and gold? Is it?
Oh no, we got the regular one. We're not that special.
Oh, and then the cool thing you can do with the box.
Whoa! Does it look like I'm wearing power armor?
Yes, it does. It is like you're wearing. Oh.
Oops.
Video's gonna be a little longer because we are unboxing 2.
Do you need my tape picking nails?
Yeah, I need your death claw nails.
Okay. Here we go. Here you go. I'll let you open it.
Alright. Okay, here we go. Hey, look.
Is that Mysterious Stranger? Ooh.
We got Nick Valentine.
Oh.
Go ahead and grab our
Hey,
little,
one at a time. Oh, the guy. Don't peek though. 2 guns. Where do those go?
That is not a precious toy. We check the other side of this coat.
There's only one hole. Okay, I'll have to figure that out some other time. So, that may be a backup. Nice. Let me see. Oh, ta-da! What does it say? Southie Stout button.
The beer in the game.
Well, stout, I assume.
Yeah.
But nice Fallout beer shirt.
You're special.
I am. Aw.
The book.
Hey!
You're special.
Oh, they're notebooks. Your favorite thing in the world.
I love to collect notebooks. Whether I rarely feel
Mini notebooks.
Endurance. They are
Oh shit.
And then they have endurance, perception.
Oh, and it's got all the perks and everything on the back.
Luck.
Oh.
Intelligence. Strength. Yeah, you get it. Charisma and
Uniqueness,
agility,
nerve, and talent.
Sachet, you stay.
It's not very good for pop. Try it. Hell yeah.
Not everyone can pickle pop like a drag queen.
I'm not that gifted.
What are you?
Looks like a glasses case.
I think they called it as this cool dude, Pit Boy on it. Cool dude.
Oh, shit.
Some glasses.
Oh, cool.
Now I'm going to be a cool dude with...
Now you're going to be a cool dude? I already think you're cool.
Oh.
Sexy. You missed it. Look on the frame. It says perception +1. Right.
I clearly don't have perception. It does say perception +1. I needed that +1.
Yeah.
Because I missed it.
You did. Put it back on. You look groovy.
Groovy, baby. Groovy.
So sexy. My turn. What's that?
Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's part of a
the next
Power Armor
piece.
figure. Okay. So since this is a year subscription, it's a bi-monthly chest. So there's going to be 6 total. Ooh.
So 4 more, I believe.
Okay.
Did you hear my furry companion lapping up sword?
He looks kind of like he got his arms and legs blowed off.
Someone had the bloody mess perk.
I guess so. I guess you'll have to sit awkwardly until we get the rest of your pieces. Sorry.
We
Then
got
what's it?
another pin.
Oh, cool. Oh, so we're going to get a pin in all of them. Yeah.
I'm guessing the strength? I don't remember.
Yes, strength perk pin.
Cool.
Oh. And is the perk poster that goes along. I think when we got the special edition of the game, we got a big version of this poster. That's not hanging
yeah,
out.
we did.
But I think we got stickers too. Wow, well that's a cool haul.
Yeah, it is a cool haul.
Shit.
That was fun.
That was fun. Well, cool. We intend to do unboxing for the rest of the boxes in this Fallout set. We do hope you have enjoyed it.
Yes.
Finally, we got to open them and get the cool stuff.
Yeah, I've been so tempted to do it off camera, but I'm glad we didn't.
Shame.
Oh, and before we end this,
Before we go, yes, we'd like to do a special shout out to Zach the Avenger. He's been a big online supporter of our channel, and we just want to say thanks and give him a little shout out.
we really appreciate it.
We'll link his channel as well. Yeah. We hope you have enjoyed it. I know we have. I can't wait to open more stuff. So.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.